black, brown, yellow, and white. We must treat all the skin colors right. No one's skin color is better than mine, and I'll wear it with pride and grace. I will be kind, I will be fair, and I will make the world a better place. Bye. Look at Riley spinning the ball like that. He always does that.
Yeah, I bet he sleeps with that thing.
And showers too.
If he spent as much time studying as he did with that basketball, he would not be as good as he is.
There's no way he can be smart when all he does is practice and play games. Like,
I bet he doesn't even know what an atom is.
if you asked him, he would probably be like, isn't that dude from the Bible?
Actually, an atom is considered the basic building block of matter. Anything that has mass, in other words, anything that occupies space, is composed of atoms. While its name originally referred to the particle that couldn't be divided anymore, the smallest thing possible, we now know that each atom is made up of smaller particles. Given that these particles make up atoms, they are often referred to as subatomic particles. There are 3 subatomic particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons.
What just happened?
Probably Googled it.
Welcome back to our segment, More or Less. Let's get to the first clip.
20 seconds.
Okay?
You're bull riding? Where is this at?
Sky Zone,
You
actually.
got this.
Oh. It looks like you're probably failing, Kennedy.
No, I
14
actually,
seconds. You got it.
I'm doing so good. Oh,
15 seconds.
yeah.
It wasn't even going that bad.
We don't talk about that part. What do you think?
Good.
It was on hard mode, by the way.
Oh, but you
It was,
didn't.
yeah.
They didn't bring me, so it's a lot.
I like how my sister went for so long. Oh, that's so nice. I'm gonna say more too.
But they
I'm gonna
still
say
didn't bring
more,
me.
just like my brother. Let's get to the next clip.
They didn't bring me. They didn't bring me. They left me at home. Oh, now mom's going.
Yeah, mom's going. Let's see how long do you think she's gonna last? 1, 2.
2.
Oh,
Oh, she fell.
that was.
It was going slow.
4.63 seconds.
Mom, that's a.
Mom, wasn't that an easy amount? I'm going to say more.
More?
More, definitely more.
More because
It was funny. and
they
she
didn't
fell.
bring me, so she fell. So she deserved it.
Okay,
But I love you,
let's
Mom.
go to the next.
No, my opinion
Nope,
matters
nope.
too.
No, it doesn't.
More.
Okay, let's go to the next video.
Oh, now it's me.
You pass it? No.
Oh, look at that pass.
Look at that pass.
Good shot,
Oh,
Elijah.
oh.
Oh, but you missed it. Oh,
Oh,
back
Riley?
to me. Floated.
Oh,
Good,
one-handed?
good. Yeah,
Just up.
one-handed.
Okay. Not bad, not bad. I like the shoes.
More of me scoring
Yeah, more of him scoring.
and less of them leaving me at home. But they brought me this time because it was my.
Yeah, no,
basketball game.
so less of having really far drives to Romeoville, because it's so far.
It's 20 minutes.
Too far.
You watch your phone the whole
It's too
time.
far. Bye.
Bye.
Braedon, what's wrong? I'm just dry. I know what he needs. Yes. Ah! What are you doing? What? Ah! Make sure you use Khaki Colored Kidz hair detainer. And make sure you use Khaki Colored
Tracy Ellis Ross was born October 29, 1972 in Los Angeles, California, to legendary Motown singer Diana Ross and music manager Robert Ellis Silverstein. She attended Brown University and earned a bachelor's degree in theater arts in 1994. After graduation, Ross began working in the fashion industry as an editor for magazines such as Mirabella and New York, and the exposure to the industry helped her into modeling. Ross was featured in many magazines, landing on the cover of Essence and Jet. Among others, Ross soon made a transition into acting. In the late 1990s, saw her land in roles in a string of movies. Ross caught her big break and got a real taste of success, snagging the part of Joanne Clayton on the TV show Girlfriends. TV would become her focus, and Girlfriends kept her busy for nearly the entire decade across more than 170 episodes. In the midst of Girlfriends' long run, Ross managed to squeeze in some film work, including Tyler Perry's Daddy's Little Girl and Labor Pains in 2014. Ross began a new gig as one of the stars of the primetime comedy Blackish, which became a hit and gave her yet another high-profile role.